Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Roblox crash and unexpected error occurred. Let's fix this error guys. I'm gonna sharing two solutions today's video. Let's jump straight into it guys. For that you just want to right click on the Roblox player application, select properties, select the compatibility tab and check mark two of these guys, disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Check mark it and select apply and ok. After doing this, now check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage temp percentage again, click on ok, click anything here and press ctrl plus a to select all, and that will be selected all. You just need to right click on it and select delete guys, including Roblox folder. After get deleted done, close out of here, recycle bin, click on empty recycle bin, click as. And the next step you just want to, for this solution, the next step you just want to go to Google Chrome, select the three dot icon, select settings. On left side select privacy and security, on right side scroll down guys, select the cookies and other site data, select the see all site data and permission, click on it, and in here you just need to clear up all data, click on it and select yes, clear it up. After clearing it, close out of here, and hopefully your problem has been resolved guys at this point. But if you're still having a problem, the final solution you need to try is uninstall the Roblox player app and reinstall it guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.